I'm Mr. Fisher, the proud principal of Stapley.
Sabercats!
Stapley Junior High has a tradition of excellence here in the East Valley. There's high expectations that we have in the classroom for our students. We have other classes, extracurricular activity classes where they can go into shop class, learn about woodworking. They can take our robotics class to work on the technology piece, science classes that students can learn and look into the science field. Our teachers take a big interest in our students. They want to know their interest. We want to really focus on our standards, our curriculum that we have in our classroom, and then what our instruction looks like to support our standards. Well, we have a survivor program, and students create teams in their first hour, and throughout the whole year we have different competitions. They really get to know one another and they build on those social emotional skills. We do Toys for Tots. This year we adopted over 100 families. We're able to build that community spirit. We also do our Feeding Frenzy, which is our Mesa United Way food competition, and we have great community involvement with our families. If we need to have support with anything in the classroom, we can always go to our parents.
Stapley!